So I'm sure there's been a lot of so-called McChicken reviews out there, but I don't think any of them will hold a candle to the standards that I hold my traditional chicken sandwiches up to. We're going to put it through 3 different tests. Starting off with test 1, aerodynamics. She flies. Second test. Second test will be a durability test. Maybe we shouldn't shoot at the windows, but oh, I didn't even hit that. You know what? We'll call it good, dude. We'll call it good on the durability test. And for the final test, we're gonna do a fit check. Oh shit. He kinda got that shit on him. Oh shit. He kinda got that thing on him. Oh shit, now we really got that thing on him. Gonna have to give the McChicken the good old 7 out of 10.